Highlight the role of C++ in game development. Why choose C++ for game development? C++ stands out as one of the most preferred programming languages among developers. This is due to its powerful features, versatility, and efficiency in handling complex tasks. Understanding the role of C++ in game development. Programming language for computer graphics. C++ serves as an excellent programming language for creating stunning computer graphics in video games, game engines, and software enhancement. Game engines play a crucial role in the development of video games, providing developers with a framework to build upon. Object-oriented programming and game architecture. C++'s support for object-oriented programming makes it a natural choice for designing complex game architectures. Application development and game design. When it comes to application development and game design, C++ provides developers with the tools needed to create interactive experiences and innovative gameplay features. The impact of C++ libraries in game development. C++ libraries play a significant role in game development, providing developers with ready-made solutions for common tasks such as game physics, game mechanics, and visual effects. Conclusion. In conclusion, C++ plays a crucial role in game development, enabling developers to create visually stunning, immersive, and high-performance games. Its versatility, efficiency, and robust features make it a top choice for game developers in the ever-evolving gaming industry.